Hi everyone, welcome to PNSQC. We're super excited that the call for papers is now open. This video steps you through our open conference management system and shows you how to make an abstract submission for our conference. Let's get into how to use the system. What you first do is go to the website which has the open conference system, and right now for this year it's openconf.org/PNSQC2019. And what you do is you go there and then click on Make a Submission. And then you go forward and fill in all the fields. So let's go through some of these here. So what you would fill in, of course, would be the consent form, which basically says that after you submit your email as well as your co-author's emails, you give us permission to contact you relevant to your submission. What we need is, of course, your email, your organization, your name. Your telephone number would be really handy so that when we receive your submission, if there are any logistics issues with scheduling your talk during the conference, we can contact you. In your biography, you may want to put the number of years of experience you have, things that you've done, places you've worked, your level of expertise, and your specialty areas, as well as other conferences that you've spoken at, papers that you've had published and where those reside online. We'd also like you to upload a photo of yourself, but I'm going to show you how to do that later. Your LinkedIn page and your Twitter handle would be very handy to have. If you have a co-author, please put that information in as well. And then of course you want to list yourself or possibly one of your co-authors as the contact author. And the topic areas such as Agile or testing and so on. What's important for you to do is also put in keywords, because that helps us to assign your paper to a reviewer that has expertise in this area to help you flesh out the contents of your paper. In the abstract, you want to put in what's valuable for those that are going to be attending your talk, and don't forget that we usually receive well over 100 abstracts and we're going to be choosing only 39. So the better you do on describing the value for your audience, the contents of your paper, and the learning points, the better chance you have of being selected. And lastly, don't forget to put in a password, and don't forget to remember your password as well as your submission ID. So when you submit your paper or your abstract, you will receive a submission ID. So remember your submission ID and your password. After you've made your initial submission, then what you need to do is go in and edit your submission and add your photo and so on. So let me show you how to do that. Basically, you would go to Upload File. And so you would either upload your abstract if you had a changed abstract, or your profile photo. Let's say I want to change my abstract. I can put in my submission ID, my password, upload a file if I want to, and that should be in Word format. You could upload your photo here. 300 by 300 pixel headshot would be great. And you just do that, and of course it needs to be in JPEG format, and then you would upload the file. Now when it comes to uploading other files as we move on through the conference process, in here in the upload type you will see different file types. For instance, you would see first draft, second draft, and so on. And this is the way that you would upload files into the system for your particular submission. I think that's about it. Just as a reminder, out of all the abstracts, we're going to be choosing 39 abstracts to be developed into our full conference paper. If you're selected, don't worry, you'll have plenty of help as you'll be assigned 2 paper reviewers from our review committee that will work with you to transform your abstract into a high-quality paper that you can be proud of. We look forward to receiving your abstracts, and we'll see you in October in Portland, Oregon. Thanks.